Welcome everyone, John here on today's adventure. We're at the Marine Cherry Point Air Station in Havelock, North Carolina. We're going to take you around and show you the planes that they have on exhibit. There's lots of interesting military equipment and aircraft to see. Of course, the Navy Blue Angels will be performing later today, and we're going to show you that on another video. Right now, just like to take you on this tour of the planes and equipment, let you have a look at it. Lots of interesting stuff to see, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's see. Good crowd gathering with the show. It's still early. The Blue Angels will be performing later. Right now, we're going to walk around here and check out the planes and equipment. And I'll tell you what they are if I can figure that out. You can see a large crowd. Okay, this looks like some kind of fighter plane. I'm not sure exactly what it is. Some of them have information on them, some don't. Here's one. This is an F-16 we're going to show you. There you go, an F-16 fighter plane. I think we'll get that rascal after me, I can tell you that. I bet she'll move too when you put the gas pedal to the metal on it. Let's go over here and take a look at the cargo. There's some air activity going on out on the runway. All kinds of planes, every sort and description of this plane. You're going to hear some noise in a few minutes because they are performing on the runway. Different planes coming around. I seen a Harrier jet a few minutes ago. Boy, he was really getting it. Now, this yellow plane is a World War II career airplane. They call it a mosquito, and it could sting. It really could. Let's take a look at this. Wow. He's climbing up there. He's going to come down and do a spin for us. Wow, he's moving so fast you can't keep up with it. Well, anyway, all sorts of stuff. This looks like a little small plane. This is the Cessna 172. Run over here and get a look at it. I have flown in one of these. Plenty of Marines, I guarantee you. And some of these planes, they'll actually let you climb up and take a look at them. Oh wow, this is a big cargo. 4 engines. Like there's a long line waiting to go inside and take a look. We're not going to do that. We're just going to show you the outside. I have never flown in one of these. When I was in the Navy, I flew in the C-141 transport, and that was quite an experience. So there it is. Bet they can haul lots of stuff in there. Probably as much as a tractor trailer. This little mosquito plane or whatever it is out here flying around, he's right on the ground. All right, back over this way and see what we have. I see some helicopters. Yeah, they have all kind of vendors back there with food and games for the kids. Rides. Large crowd seems to be building. Let's look at a couple of helicopters right here. think it's going to tell us what this helicopter is. This is the Bell 58C. 2 pilots. Actually, I flew in a helicopter last night. I went to the fair in Pitt County, and I did take a flight around the fair with a helicopter. That was quite nice. Got a good view of the fair too. Just a whole line of helicopters on display for us. There you go. And this booger here is a 1H Huey. I don't know anything about military helicopters. That's what it is. All right. Wartime Vietnam vet. I think these helicopters come from the Vietnam era. This is a military evac helicopter. And when you get on back to where the planes are, and I think there's some things over here I can show you. And I do love flying. So much fun. Oh, that's something down here that's pretty interesting. This is like a Navy. No, it's a Marine. It's a Marine fighter plane era. Looks like World War II era. Maybe the Korean War. I think the jets started coming in pretty good in the Korean War. So probably more World War II, and it does tell a little bit about it. Well, they're giving a cockpit tour. You want to walk up and take a look in, but we can see everything right here pretty well. Of course, I got to have some Jeeps to move the Marines around in. This thing here looks like, I wouldn't want to get this after me. It looks like some kind of machine or gas gun or something. There you go. 2-seater. World War II plane. It's got the little emblem on the side with them dropping a bomb on somebody or something. I don't know. All right. We continue. Just one plane after another. Endless supply of planes. I love to look at these old planes from the World War II. Here's one right. We're moving up in. They call this one the Mad Max. And show you some of the, I think we walked by these a minute ago, but here's another one. This thing looks like it could really do some damage. Oh yeah. Wouldn't want to get this baby on me. This is an F-22 Raptor. And Super Cruise Raptor, crew of 1. Damage plenty. There you go, the F-22 Raptor. And the enemy don't like to see this coming after them. Wow. First time I've ever been this close to one. There's a little air show going on the runways. Planes up there diving and surfing around doing flips. There it goes. That guy's either got a lot of nerve or he knows what he's doing. And I suspect a little bit of both. I thought he was going to get the runway, man. He got off the ground about 50 feet, I think. And he climbs up again. see the smoke trail behind him. Here he goes, he's diving. He's diving. Right down to the runway. He does a loop. And up again into the wild blue yonder he goes. You want to ride? How would you like to take a ride with him? No thank you. He dives down again, he's coming down low, and he heads right back up. Does a spin around. Back up. Oh wow. He's blowing a lot of smoke out there. Here he goes. Wow. Whew. Makes me dizzy trying to watch him. Oh, head back this way. So I have showed you some of the planes and jets, the fighter jets, the World War II era planes that was used in World War II. And back over on behind the plane. If you can still hear him flying right on the runway with that spinning type twirling plane or whatever he's got there, he's giving it a ride, brother. So we'll be back on the next video with the Blue Angels Air Show. Been waiting a long time to see this, looking forward to it. We're going to bring you along with us. See you on the next adventure. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.